Yo, what's up guys? It is day 4 in Colombia. Medellin.
Y'all need some English classes? English lessons?
Yesterday we spent the whole day skateboarding. I don't think I vlogged much, but I'll see what I came up with when we get back. Lynn, where are we going? I'm out of breath, folks.
Dude, I have no idea. I haven't even been to this spot. But supposedly it's like a very beautiful waterfall in the top of a motherfucking mountain. We're gonna hike for like 2 hours into the mountain, find this spot, little adventure. That's what we're gonna do.
You heard it here, folks. You heard it here first, folks. Day 4, Colombia, adventure, mountain, waterfall, meeting up with the homie. We'll see you in a little bit.
Con razón, Jorge no le gusta que yo venga por aquí. Mi esposo no le gusta que yo venga por aquí. Dice, no, ¿qué tal? ¿Qué tal? Dice por allá metida.
Ahora se quedamos cuñaditos para arrancar.
We just quickly hopped out the whip. We just drove up a whole mountain. We're literally on top of the whole city. Like Medellin, the city is directly behind those houses. We're gonna get a better view. We have all these mountains. It's super sunny. I'm probably squinting like crazy. I can't see shit. Hella mountains. We're going up waterfalls. Lots of waterfalls, lots of swimming. It's gonna be sick. Such a movie. At the top of the mountain, we get fresh bananas. Fresh bananas. Ooh. Gracias, my boy.
You love banana.
Oh yeah. Stupid ass. The city of Medellin. So beautiful, bro. Woo. Fresh banana. About to get into them. Eat this banana. Start hiking.
Hey, what up, boys?
Tell them in English what we're doing.
I'm heading right now to the big mountain to see a waterfall.
Yup. What else? One waterfall? Big view? Nice view?
Look at that way. Really nice view,
No
bro.
putas? No putas up there?
No.
No? Fucking A.
No beaches.
No beaches.
Some animals, some monkeys.
Say swear.
No horse. No horse? No horse?
No horse.
Maybe horses. No horse.
No horse. Hola. Buenos días. What did I just say?
Buenos días. You wanna fuck one jaguar?
Yeah. Horses got like 13, maybe like 22-inch dicks. Could you imagine? Fucking
Oh,
A.
you want that on your butt?
No, you couldn't wear shorts this short. You'd have to wear jeans all the time.
Something.
What we got, folks? That's his mother?
That's mama.
We got mama with us. Straight hiking. Oh, we got like an hour, 2 hours? About like an hour up the mountain. It's gonna be lit. Once we get to the top, it's gonna be views on views.
An hour carrying his beer.
Make sure the cigarette went out. Oh, we got a baddie coming up, huh?
She ain't bad.
Nah. Give you guys a quick update. We're currently like 10 minutes in. And we got a whole, look at this shit. The views are insane. Literally like 10 minutes in, got like 2 hours to go. We got groceries to make sandwiches at the top. A 6-pack to drink at the top. We're just chilling, kicking it, good vibes. Woo. Got mama with us, about to smoke some gas at the top. Low key. Gotta be careful, can't start no fires. Mine's just a little dirty. Sorry about that. Hope you guys enjoy this video as much as I do. As much as I do enjoy making it. Just nuts. I thought this man was joking, but he was being dead serious. The sign right there says 45 minutes this way.
45 more minutes into the motherfucking mountain.
And look at the descent.
I'm gonna have to put this phone away, bro.
Yeah, I pause it. Yeah, see, this is exotic. This is some shit you don't do with the very expensive vlogging camera. You do more with the GoPro.
Dude, my hands are fucked up. I can't grab shit.
Me neither. I got a camera and a bag. Yes,
Let me get the bag.
No,
So I can hold on to something.
It's all good. I don't
I
need to.
got both in one hand.
I got it like this. I'm just making excuses, Lynn.
Alright. What about you, faggot? Why is it your pussy?
This shit crazy. Hell no.
Necesito pegar la mano de aquí.
Tree to tree.
Tell mom out.
Tengo la...
Eso es lo de menos.
Gotta watch your step. Very long descent. Super sketchy. Colombian jungle. Hit the little jump on him. Shoot.
El problema es si se caen.
Se me caigo, yo se caen todos.
Lynn falls down, everybody falls.
I'm the big one.
The jungle. This is literally why I go to work every day. That's why I do what I do, make the decisions that I make, so I can do shit like this. It's breathtaking. Doesn't seem like much, but you out here, you see the flowers, the trees, the different ecosystems, the smell. It's crazy. Such clear water. It's insane.
I need a beer.
Super clear. Oh, sorry.
Y los cuatro.
Man, this motherfucker. Look how clear that water is. Literally the most insane water I've ever seen in my life. Like what? I'm gonna put this down and take a piss. Going upstream with it. Mad wild.
Now your feet are gonna get wet.
This is a dangerous what?
It's a dangerous pass.
Look at this shit.
I guess it is pretty dangerous.
A little bit, folks. Fucking A. How do I get up this mug? Oh. 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 Shoot. Shoot. More water. Oh. Oh. Fucking A. Yeah. Well, Lynn, I guess it is a little dangerous.
How do you like the trip so far, bro?
Super fire. We're what, like an hour in, bro?
I just took a Snapchat. It said we're like about 6,800 feet of elevation.
Woo, that's tall. That's tall. Look at what we have to do. We got mama climbing and shit. Super insane. Woo. I gotta put the camera away. This is about to get sketchy. Look at that. If you fall into this,
Look at mom. Look at mom.
mama's going cool. If you fall into that, it's over. Yo! This is literally a butterfly attacking me. So crazy. It won't leave me alone. Big jungle vibes. We're out here in the jungle. Waterfall shit. You feel me? Bowling.
Showing up my dad bod. Ooh. Look at that. Record it. It's on you. Oh.
Jungle boy
Oh,
vibes.
it's on you again.
Where?
Here. It's a nice Buddha fly. Wow, it's nice colors. She liked you.
She won't leave me alone. This is crazy. Jungle boy vibes. I don't know how well you're picking up sound quality right now. Sound quality. We're out here smoking.
We got fat boy.
Waterfall vibes.
Fat boy here. I know I'm a fat boy.
It's okay, me too.
Adidas. Estoy grabando.
Bust down on him.
Bust down.
Go a little further back. Get the whole fit.
What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Bust down on him. You gotta go further back.
Bust down him.
Yeah, you can get my whole fit.
I got you everything.
The whole fit?
Yeah.
Bust down, Tatiana. Bust down, Tatiana.
I want to keep us down.
Yeah. Hell no, Waterfall vibes, Colombia vibes, Medellin vibes. Sheesh.
With Stifler. With Stifler's mama.
Professional skateboarder in Colombia. Professional skateboarder in Colombia.
Medellin.
Facts.
We are in Medellin, motherfuckers.
How do you say professional skateboarder in Spanish?
Skater profesional.
A skater professional, professional shit. Yeah.
Tarde se lo hagan.
Yeah. Todo. First down, oh yeah.
Va a haber mucha gente. En Instagram ya tiene mucho. En YouTube, tiene más.